Hi everyone, Marie here. In this video, I'll show you our subscription box number 10, show you how I audition fabric when I decide to substitute it, and also show you the simplest and quickest hoop finish there is. I hope you love it. First, let me show you the box. It's full of amazing goodies. There are these soft, fluffy grey winter socks, some cute cat and bear mini wooden display hoops, a lovely 100% beeswax thread conditioner, which comes in really handy when you're working with difficult threads like metallic ones. My personal favorite though is the toss between the socks and this super yummy milk and white chocolate sprinkle star lolly. And then there's the kit I'll show you shortly. I wanted to mention how much I personally appreciate that vast majority of the packaging is recyclable, and I know that Sally and the team are going great lengths to make the packaging more sustainable and friendly for the planet. Let's look at the cross-stitch kit. It's inside this gorgeous recyclable pink sleeve and contains everything you need to stitch the beautiful winter wolf. There are pre-sorted DMC stranded cotton threads, then a light pink Aida fabric with a tapestry needle, and an introduction of the guest designer Emily Peacock, because our subscription boxes are usually designed by wonderful guest designers. There's also the pattern, of course, and detailed instructions for anyone who's just beginning with cross-stitching. I will show you now how I audition fabrics. Occasionally, I decide to not stitch on the fabric provided in the kit. I'm personally not too keen on pink, but that's just me. If that's something that occasionally happens to you too, this is what I do in that case. I will spread a couple of different fabrics on the worktop and leave the threads on top of it, preferably during daylight and on a well-lit spot. I am looking for a fabric that, in my opinion, looks the best with the colors I have available, making sure that none of the colors are too similar to the fabric so that it would get lost in the background. I have also considered what the design represents. It's a winter wolf, so I will be focusing on winter colors, a bit colder colors that will help me express the mood and temperature of the design. I have in the end decided that the best option is this light blue fabric called Ocean Air by Fox and Rabbit. It reminds me of a cold winter sky, and the colors look just gorgeous against it. I have also decided to stitch on a 40 count linen with just one strand. This will help me achieve a small, delicate finish. In the next step, I have cut the fabric. If you're not sure how to calculate the fabric size you'll need, please go and watch our video, The Ultimate Guide to Measuring and Cutting Cross-Stitch Fabric, linked in the top right corner and also in the video cards below. And that's it. I'm ready to stitch. Let's skip ahead and talk about finishing. Voila! If only stitching was this quick in real life too. I am almost finished with stitching the handsome wolf. I only have some winter sun and a couple of branches on the right hand side to be finished. Let me talk you through how I'm going to finish it when it's fully done. I have tried a couple of different hoops and went ahead with this tiny 4-inch hoop. Because I stitched the wolf on 40 count with one strand over 2, I now have a very delicate small finish. If you'd like to give it a go too and worry about stitching on even weave or linen, please check out our video called How to Start Stitching on Even Weave and Linen Fabrics. I am going into great detail there and giving you my absolute best tips on transitioning from Aida to high count fabric. I will be going for a simple hoop finish here. I've covered all the basics in one of my early videos called 3 Simple Ideas for Finishing a Cross-Stitch Hoop. So if you've never done any hoop finishing before or would like to have a run through the basics again, please give it a watch afterwards. In this finish, I have decided to make the outer hoop a little bit more special and cover it in a washi tape. I have got 4 different washi tapes here, so I'll just audition them again against the fabric and the design and just pick the colors and style that I like the best. If there is such a thing as a quick win in the world of cross-stitching, this is it. Wrapping the outer hoop in a washi tape is so simple and quick and immediately elevates the look of the finished piece. I also appreciate that the glue on washi tapes is generally strong enough to hold, but doesn't leave a sticky residue when removed, so I could easily undo the hoop, unwrap the washi and reuse the hoop again. It's also very inexpensive. While I'm wrapping the hoop, let me just remind you that we love to see your own finishes and whips on Instagram and Facebook. So don't hesitate to tag us on Insta or share your lovely stitching in our Facebook group. I'm almost done. I'm covering the very top of the hoop with small pieces of the washi just to hide the wood. Let's put the fabric in the hoop and voila, there we have it. What do you think? Have I chosen the correct washi tape or should I have gone for a different one? In any case, this is so quick and easy. To finish the hoop of the bag, I'll go really quick and easy here again. I am tracing the inner circumference of the inner hoop on a mound board. It's acid-free, so it won't discolor the fabric in the long run, and it's thick, so it will hold the bag together really well. I will continue stitching on this, so I'm not trimming the fabric quite yet, but let me just show you how easy it is to catch the fabric on the bag, even when it's not trimmed. I have just inserted the mount board cutout onto the folded fabric, and that is literally it. It's holding the fabric in place, and it looks good too. If you wanted to make it a bit more special, you can always cover the cutout with some coordinating fabric. I've covered this in the 3 ways to finish your hoop video that I've mentioned earlier, so feel free to check that out too. I hope you have enjoyed this sneak peek into our subscription box and the quick and easy finishing idea. Any materials used are linked in the description below. If you'd like to join our subscription boxes, please head over to our website caterpillarcrossstitch.com and sign up for the next one. We actually do have some Howling Wolf box in stock too, so if you'd love this particular design as much as I do, you can pop that in your basket too. Remember that our subscription boxes are no strings attached, so you can cancel or pause anytime, and it always comes with amazing goodies and wonderful designs like this beautiful Barbara Anna design for box 11. If you'd like a 10% discount on your first order in our online shop, make sure to sign up to our newsletter, aka VIP Stitch Club. You'll receive your discount code and 8 free patterns as a bonus in return. And that's it from me this week. Thank you so much for watching and stitching with me, and I will see you soon.